We're going to test each one of these on a piece of leather. This is a tan piece of leather. We're going to test it each one on the front and the back. What we're looking for is cure time, brush strokes, bubbles, any discrepancies, any weird stuff, clarity, and also flexibility after it's dried. We're going to try a premium decoupage. This is a Mod Podge knockoff by Aleene's. So we're going to start by grabbing a big old gloopy glop like so, and we're just going to paint it onto the leather like this. What's really important is that we saturate it fully and we get a good idea of how effective it is. This is the all-purpose number 10. This is a secret formula that Scorch Marker has created to replace Mod Podge entirely by fixing all of its defects. I'm curious if it'll make it hard. Now let's get over to our Mod Podge and test this one out. Much thicker stuff here. It's the whitest of all of them, that's for sure. We're gonna give it a few hours. We're gonna let it dry, then we're gonna come back. We're gonna do our tests. All right, it's been a couple of hours. Let's see how each one of these did and how they held up. We're gonna start with the premium decoupage. Let's see how this looks here. Okay, I can tell you right now that it's cracking. It looks okay. It's still a little flexible, but as soon as I grabbed it and started moving it around, it started cracking. Let's see how it looks when we fold it. Ooh, it all turned white. That's not good. Let's bump over to our Mod Podge now. Let's take a look here. It's definitely harder. It's definitely crisp. And when we bend it, it flakes and kind of pulls apart. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But, not great. Let's give it some folds. Let's see how it does. I can see a lot of creasing happening. It turns very white and it gets crispy and crackly. Holy cow, I was not expecting this. I was expecting this to break and crack and be crispy like the other ones, but it doesn't. I don't hear anything. Wow, look at that. It works on flexible material. It doesn't crack. It doesn't break, and it doesn't make that noise. All in all, based on this test, the winner is all-purpose 10. It looks better, it's clear, it doesn't turn white, it works on flexible material, it doesn't crack. Leather, this is the way to go. Wow, what an insightful test.